in this set, again, we have two LiDAR set up. We have a long-range LiDAR and we have a medium range, and we have different object and classification zones. Right now we see Steve walking across. It classified him as a human being in these zones here on the mid-range and on the long range. Now, in here in just a second, we'll have Brad drive and we'll see the car. So Steve, if you will go behind that dumpster there so you get out of the view for a second. And Brad, you want to drive your vehicle through. And what will happen, so now we have Brad, and on the left-hand side, we have it picking him up as a small target. I have that enabled. But on the right side, in this these object zones here, it did not alarm on him until he got passed into the second zone there. So it, because it was only set to classify as a human being, it didn't pick up Brad's vehicle. Now in the long-range LiDAR on the left, it sees his vehicle all the way down. Again, this is a unit that goes 300 meters. So he's driving down almost to the edge of the street there where he's going to turn out there by the Hampton Inn, and it's still picking him up right there until he moved to the right out of that zone. So successful test here where the object detection determined that a human being was a human being, a vehicle was a vehicle, and didn't alarm on the target when it wasn't supposed to.